Hey everybody, my name is Adam Peterson. I'm an instructional designer here at eVersity, and what I want to show you today is the easy way to import text from whether it be a website or a PDF into Blackboard. When you copy and paste text from PDFs or websites, it will grab all of the HTML and it will kind of make the Blackboard will do some things behind the scenes that make the text look really, really bad. So I want to show you a few easy ways to remove all the bad formatting when you copy and paste text into Blackboard. So first I'm going to show you, this is a website of OpenStax textbook for the sociology course. And this is just a typical website. Think of this as any Creative Commons website that you can use to bring in text from the website into Blackboard. Now if I copy all of this, this is what a lot of people do. They just kind of highlight the text, right click, go to copy, they go into Blackboard. Let's create a new item and we'll call this, title, and then we'll just kind of go hit Command V or Control C if you're on Windows, and we'll paste in the text, and it looks like this. It's not terrible, but you'll see in a minute how it's bad. And when you paste that in, you'll see all of this HTML code that's been added. Just a ton of stuff, this figure class, all these things that's not needed. Look at all of this texting that's been added. It's just not needed, so we want to strip that away. So just to kind of show you what it looks like, we'll do the preview button, and you'll see it just looks how everything's kind of to the left, and it just doesn't look right. Let's just go ahead and hit submit to and kind of show you. Here's my old one. I will delete this one. Okay, so you'll see here that this text is a different font than this text. You also see this white background behind all of this, and that's going to be brought into Blackboard, and we do not want that. So here's a few ways to get rid of all the HTML as you copy and paste from a website into Blackboard. So let's go back to the edit. Okay, so there's two ways to do this. The first way is a very easy way. So highlight all of your text that you just pasted into the course, and then on the very top of the text editor, if you do not see all these tools, click this right here, these little arrows. The down arrow will show you all your tools. And right here is a remove formatting kind of eraser tool. Click that and you'll see that they stripped away almost all of the HTML code. When we go back and look at the HTML, you'll see it's a lot cleaner. Now you just see the span thing, which is kind of an alt tag for this image. And then, but all of that, the font and all that stuff, that's gone away. So that's one way you can do it. The other way to do it is to use a text editor. Now, if you use Microsoft Word or something like that, it copies the HTML as well. So what you want to do is use a text editor for Windows. That would be Notepad. Comes with your computer, absolutely free. And if you're on Mac, you need to download a program called Text Wrangler. It's free. I highly encourage you to use that. So what you'll do is go back to the website or PDF, doesn't matter. Copy the text. I'm going to right click copy or Command C or Control C. Go back into your text editor. Like I said, for Mac I'm using Text Wrangler, and for Windows, Notepad. We're going to paste the text, and then you'll see it's kind of a little weird. So you just want to format it like it's supposed to be. And do this. And so it's kind of a tedious thing, but it's the thing that we need to do for our students to make sure it all looks seamless and correct. Okay, so let's say that's the right the way it's supposed to look. Okay, here's very basic tags you can use, so you can actually learn a little bit of HTML if you've never used HTML before. What I want you to do is do a paragraph tag. All that is less than sign, the letter P, and a greater than sign. That means that's a new paragraph. So then you can copy. There we go. Copy the paragraph tag. Then you just paste it in each one. Okay? Very simple. Then copy your text. Go back into Blackboard. Hit your HTML. This is very important. Make sure that when you put any HTML tags to paste it into the HTML code view. Highlight all of it, delete it, and paste it in there. And then you'll see all the text looks Perfect. So that's what you need to do when you import text into Blackboard. Strip away all of the HTML. I gave you two methods. First, you could highlight, hit the remove formatting button up at the top in the text editor, or paste it into a text editor. Mac, Text Wrangler is the program, and Windows, just use Notepad. Paste it in the text editor and then put the simple paragraph tags in there. Then when you paste it into Blackboard, that's when you can go in and make the headers. You can change the size. That's when you're able to do all of that. When you copy and paste from a website or PDF, it brings in all the extra HTML code, and that's what we do not need. So there's two simple ways to copy and paste text into Blackboard from websites and PDFs. If you have any questions, be sure to contact your instructional designer and they can help you in further detail. Thank you guys.